Ikare ma eno bedo ka loke lo cholo ngeya ichia der office ma mega malupe kwi matir ka bino ma KWIR lo telami East Africa Legislative Assembly. Honorable Anita Among Lador ot moko chiek madit mi parliament me Uganda o chiego lo bol kwi pilok ka wilo kwi.
I've not got any communication per se, but I am warning the members because that is a practice of the day in campaigns always. I haven't got it, but I'm warning members that they should not get involved in such activities.
Omete ke loke mi wajani polkare jomatika chung maro wilo kwi wila o wego jomokene lachien gidugu gichako lweny matino tino kengi kunogi mete ke kwany kwi ene.
We urge the members that are campaigning is to respect the rule of the law. We don't want any blackmail. We don't want any bribery. All those acts should not be involved in the campaign. And we also ask them to respect the decorum of the House. As they come in on Thursday to campaign for that position of EALA, I wish all of them well.
Ilok pa Anita Among jo weng matika chung ke bimini ge roko chamarom mi chui ot moko chiek chakulok ki Dano matie kenyu chawa enoni iyo mi bitu kwi mano ki bichero ka bolo kwi bene chawa eni chot.
I have 28 that have expressed interest. We are going to have campaigns in the morning of Thursday. It will start at 9. And this campaign, each candidate will be given 7 minutes, at least 7 minutes to do the campaign and convince the members of parliament. And as you are aware that the voters of these members of parliament, the 529 members of parliament, will be the ones to vote for the 9 members of EALA.
Itung borjo machui ot moko chiek mapige chwako gamente pego bedo ke kero me karo ke nyinga makiro mobolo ne weko chere pieman.
As opposition, I think we failed to arrive at a consensus. Personally, as Honorable Kin Pipi Ojara,
no, Honorable Pipi Ojara,
I would have loved.
You communicated the party position.
I would have loved to have a position of the opposition as a whole, so that we all stay in one umbrella.
Ikachoka chili bene lo members minu mapole pegi chwako gamente go karo ke tamne gen pegi be meta nyim ke lok me bolo kwi ikare man.
Say that we shall not participate in EALA elections. Therefore, we don't expect any member of National Unity Platform to stand, canvass for support, or vote at the same time to appear on the polling station.
When you look at the treaty, the East African Treaty, basically it should coordinate programs and policies geared towards political, social, and economic integration of all the countries, the member states.
To be involved, we are not going to participate in the EALA elections because of the very many problems or very many weaknesses, disadvantages and unfairness that is involved. The NLM government decided to decide for other parties who is supposed to be voted into EALA. At this time, even in this condition, they are limiting us of the quality of members of parliament.
Karibeno kumano dul mokena mapat mati ot moko chiek mapichwa ko gamente ikina UPC, Jema, People Progressive Party, Kidong Party mokena mapat o wache gen gitia tera kun gibe mete kichwako joma megi mati pieman.
That as members of the Democratic Party, our candidate remain and we are participating till the end in the EALA election. Thank you very much.
UPC, we have decided to continue up to the very end.
Pilonge ya mo chwenye One Luo TV, Pat Robert Larubi, i Parliament.